Memorable moment as a deacon, siguro baptisms are very memorable for me. Baptize you, ay sorry, in the name, I baptize you in the name of the Father, ay sorry, and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Tapos syempre, gano'n, tapos talaga, pinunasan ng mga magulang yung, no one's fault, lalo nung baby, hindi naman.
Yeah.
Tapos nung tumawag talaga ako dun sa sekretary ng parish. Hindi po kaya valid ba invalid yung yung nangyari. But again, I also reviewed the catechism as long as it's not your intention to reformulate or change the formula, the baptism is valid.
So ako yung time na naghawak ng corona ng mahal na birhen na binigay ko sa anunsyo. Yun yung tipong nanginginig-ginig na ako.
Umiyak ka ba doon?
Hindi ako, hindi ko pakita na. Nandun yung presidente ng Pilipinas. Ayoko magkalat doon. Ingat na ingat ako noon. Kaya kailangan talaga. Nagkamali pa ako, may blooper pa ako kasi hindi ko agad natanggal yung ribbon. Hinila ko, may isa pa pala. Binalik ko ulit yung corona. Kaya tinanggal ko pa yung ribbon. Buti na lang hindi halata. Kailangan talagang binigay ko sa anunsyo.
So, as I have said a while ago, I was assigned in Manaoag as a deacon. So for me, the most memorable experience as a deacon in Manaoag was when I had a special baptism. I said special because I did it in a home. Because diba, usually baptisms ay sa simbahan madalas, diba? But this time, I had it in home. Bakit? Because the child is dying.
One striking moment is that when we got ordained, December 1, I got to baptize one infant. And then by January, so there was a call from Ate Mel. Fry, someone is asking if you can bless, if you can administer a funeral blessing. So, and then the mother approached me. Tinignan niya akong mabuti. Father, kasi sa mga lay, wala silang distinction ng deacon at father. Father, kayo po yung nagbinyag sa anak ko last December. So, I got to baptize this infant and I was also the one who blessed him in his funeral. Very heavy. And pag-akyat ko po sa community namin, andun yung mga elderly priests. Hindi ko talaga napigilan, shinare ko. And then, isang pare nagsabi doon, treasure those moments, sabi niya.